welcome back to Virtual Happy Hour. Tonight we are making a cocktail from the blog and from my free Fresh from the Garden ebook, the Plum, Pisco, and Sage cocktail. Clearly I was low on name ideas when I came up with the name for this one. But nevertheless, it's a tasty treat. You will need Pisco. Of course, this is an unaged grape brandy, typically hailing from Peru or Chile. Honey syrup, equal parts honey, boiling water, give it a shake, you're good to go. Some dry sparkling wine, I am using prosecco, a little bit of salt, and then I am using a stone fruit bitters. I am using honeyed apricot and smoked hickory, some fresh plum, some sage, and some lemon. And you may be thinking this is a lot of fucking ingredients, and you would be right. And I would allow you to take issue with me on this if I hadn't put it in a free ebook, which you can download for free from my website, shop.tasteandtipple.ca. Also linked conveniently in my bio. So I will not be taking any guff from you for your lack of preparation, because as they say, failing to plan is planning to fail, my friends, and I told you we were doing this on this day so you could be organized, so you could be ready. I can assure you, you probably wouldn't want me to be your taskmaster, my friends, because, boy, I am hard to please. I am very hard to please, which is why I've been single for nearly 4 years, amongst other reasons. Of course, that is not the only reason. The miserable dating stock in Ottawa on the male side is also obviously a huge contributing factor, and a global panzanea salad, also a contributing factor. We're gonna get started. We're gonna throw in 3 absolutely beautiful sage leaves into our shaker tin. We are going to add 3/4 of an ounce of our honey syrup. Can I get this off without spilling honey syrup all over myself? 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. Perfect. We're gonna give that a little light muddle, because as always with herbs, you don't need to pound or pulverize them. You just need to take your time. This is the foreplay of cocktail making, you know? You're just exploring each other's flavor profiles, releasing your essential oils. But then when we add our half of a plum, it's supposed to be a yellow plum. They didn't have any yellow plums at the grocery store. So just a regular red plum. We're going to apply a little bit more pressure because we want our plum to get pulpy, so we can get some of that delicious fresh fruit juice out of our stone fruit. Apologies to anyone with a stone fruit allergy. Oh, I can smell that sage. It smells incredible. Every time I think of, whenever I see sage, it makes me think of a time I did a walking wine tour in Tuscany with my parents. I'm really cool, and we would have so much brown butter sauce ravioli with fried sage. So good. 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon. Now we will add 1.5 ounces of Pisco. Now we will add just 1 little pinch of salt. That's plenty. 1 dash of our stone fruit bitters. And now we will add ice, and then we'll shake, and we will need to double strain into a chilled coupe. I hope you guys had a good week. I had a pretty good week, as you may have seen. Announced a big campaign in my feed today. You can see my face in stores. It's very exciting. Very exciting for me personally. Tomorrow, it's supposed to be brimstone and hellfire, thunder showers, rain all day. So if you haven't already done so, you can still nab a ticket to my Taste of the South bourbon cocktail class with Chef's Paradise, live at home tomorrow at 5:30. You can grab your ticket at the link in my bio. You can do it from anywhere in the world. Now we will top this off with our sparkling wine. Perfection. And we'll just garnish with a single perfect sage leaf. And as always, our herbs have been very naughty. Consent was established before coming on air this evening. The safe word is cilantro. And this just helps to release that scent and essential oils from the sage. That is a thing of beauty. It's very pretty. Cheers, my friends. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Virtual Happy Hour. Wow, that is very good. Oh, right, YouTube thumbnail. I need to eat something. I feel quite faint. Cheers. Cheers to that. I'm gonna have a bowl of popcorn before I do anything else. Thank you for joining me. I will see you on Tuesday. Taking next Friday off. I'm going to Montreal.